Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. It is May 13th, 2020, and I'm just going to go over your math pages for today. We're on session 3 still of lesson 27, and for today's lesson, you're going to need your pencil and eraser, and you would be helpful to get some counters. You'll need 20 of them, so maybe 20 goldfish or 20 Cheerios or Lego pieces. And then if you do have them, boys and girls, from your flashcard packet, you can get your team number cards. Now, if you don't have them, it's not a big deal. You can have your grown-up think of some team numbers for you, but you can grab them if you like. So to start with this page, what you want to do is have your grown-up either give you a team number or pick one of your cards. So you can see I have 17 with our one group of 10 and 7 extra ones. Then you're going to use your counters and show 17. So I'm going to use some stars here. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now once that first 10 frame is full, I go on to the next one, starting at the top row. So from 10, I'm going to count on with 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, back down to the second row, 16, 17. So then what I can do is I'm going to go and come over here and write my 17. So remember, we always start with the 1 for one group of 10, and then we add on our extra one. So I had 7 extra ones, and I'll make my 17. Okay, so then I'm gonna erase my stars. You can take off your counters. If it's food, don't eat it yet. We still have a few more to do. So I'm gonna click away these guys, and I'm gonna pick a new card. So I pick from my group. Oh, I have 15. So again, you go through, show 15. We really want you guys counting carefully. And remember, when we have a team number, it always starts with a group of 10. So you have your group of 10, and then you add on your extra ones. So with 15, we have 5 extra ones. So we go down to our second 10 frame and start in the top. There's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'll go back, get my pencil, and make my 15. We always start with our 1, top to bottom, and then slide his hat back, make a straight back, make the belly round and fat. Perfect. Okay, and then we're gonna go back and get our next one. 18. So if I didn't move my counters and I already had 15, I could just count on, boys and girls. So from 15, I have 16, 17, 18. And so then you would go over here and write your 18. One group of 10, and then your 8 extra ones here. Ooh, it's a little hard to write on my computer. All right, so that's your first page, boys and girls. Then on our second page here, I'm gonna have to clear my paper here, scooch away these stars. On your next pages, boys and girls, it's just going to be more practice of that counting carefully. And remember yesterday, we talked about how we want to make sure we have a strategy to mark the 1 by 1. So I'm going to slide my paper over. So you can see over here, we're going to mark. Oh, and I have green. I might want to change my color so you guys can see it. There we go. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Remember the last one I count, that's the total. So I'm going to go over here, circle my 14, and we would like you to practice writing it. So then you're going to go ahead and write over here like this. Okay, so you're going to do that. Oop, let's go back here for a second. I had to clear my paper first. You guys won't have to worry about that. You can see my eraser zooming across the page. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Okay, and then you can see down here, boys and girls, we have paintbrushes as well. So put a little mark on every one that you count. Remember, that's your tracking strategy. Your extra pages today, so remember the blue at the top, we really want you to work on. Those are kind of the main ones, but for extra practice, you can see these green pages, same thing. There looks like on this page, though, boys and girls, they want you to find the group of 10 first and then some extra ones. So understanding that team numbers are a group of 10 with some extra ones. So on this page here, I can see that they circled this group of 10 here. I'm gonna try to draw it. So they did a little, you can see they had some lines. So you can go ahead and trace that group and double check if you want. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I have my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 extra ones. So I would come over here and count or circle my 16 and then write my 16. Woo, look at how far my mouse went. I would want to erase that. Remember, even teachers need to redo and retry. It's tricky with my mouse. Okay, and then we can go down and we'll find our group of 10. So I see, let me get my pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I would say this is my group of 10. So if I have 10, I'm going to count on 11, 12, 13. So then I'd circle my 13. Okay, and then your other pages are also like that, boys and girls. Scooch that away. Excuse me. There we go. And then there's your next page will look like this if you want to do the practice. Oh, I like this one, boys and girls. Remember we talked about yesterday when things are in a circle and you have to start somewhere so you don't lose track. This is a perfect one, you guys, to practice that. So you're going to want to get your mark like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then continue around that way. So these are some good practices here, boys and girls, to do that. Okay, so those are your pages for today. Make sure when you're done, if you have a chance, take a picture, send it to your teacher. And me and my little teacher helper down here, hope you have a wonderful Wacky Wednesday. Bye, guys.